Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Instapot shrimp and broccoli. Let's begin. We have here 1 pound of shrimp. It's already been peeled, deveined, and defrosted. And the size of shrimp we're using is 1620. And let's season the shrimp first. We're just going to lightly sprinkle some salt on it. There we go. And also lightly sprinkle some white pepper. Mix everything around, make sure it's nice and even. There you go. I'll wash my hands. Next, we're going to prepare the sauce. We have here half cup of water. We'll be adding 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1, 2. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1, 2. And also 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. You can use sherry cooking wine if you can't find this. 1, 2. Take everything and mix it all together. Make sure everything is mixed in nice and well. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side. And next we're going to need around 1 tablespoon of ginger. We're going to cut a piece of ginger. That's about right. We're going to peel off the skin first of the ginger. Here we go. We're going to remove the skin of the ginger. And now we're going to finely chop up the 1 tablespoon of ginger. Try to chop it up into fine bits. There we go. We have around 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. We're going to put the 1 tablespoon of minced ginger to the side for right now. Okay, let's start cooking. We're going to saute the onion first. We're going to push saute. And we're going to let the Instapot heat up first. Okay, the Instapot has heated up on saute mode. We're going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of chopped up white onions. Try to brown up the white onions. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir in the minced garlic with everything else. Okay, we nicely browned up the white onions. We're going to turn off saute mode. Next, we're going to add in the pre-made sauce. We're going to put in 1 cup of cut up carrots. Mix it in. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Next, make sure to deglaze the pot and make sure that nothing is sticking onto the bottom of the Instapot or else you might get a burn error. Looking good. We're going to add in 5 cups of fresh broccoli. And lastly, we're going to add in the shrimp. Stir it in. Okay, it's looking good. This is what it looks like before we close it up. Put it in a locking position. We're going to push pressure cook for 0 minutes. Okay, it's preheating, and once the timer has started for 0 minutes, we're going to release the pressure. The red pin has gone up. That means it's almost fully preheated. Okay, the Instapot is fully preheated, and the timer started for 0 minutes. Now it's ready to release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means it's safe to open. Looking good. We're going to put it back on saute mode. We're going to push saute. And let's thicken up the sauce. We have here half cup of water. And we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of cornstarch into the water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stir it all up. Make sure the cornstarch and water is mixed in nice and even. And let's thicken up the sauce. Stir it in. As you can see, the sauce is thickening up. You can add more or less depending on your preference. As you can see, it's thickening up pretty well. Alright, we're done. We're going to push cancel. And let's put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today. Instapot Chinese shrimp and broccoli. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.